now that keeps spinning on both sides of the nut, the drain bolt, I'm going to drill a hole in the pan somewhere and let it come out. That drip out. And then I'll do that. Alright, first you're going to take out your bumper bolts. So there's 4, one there, and 2 right there. You need to take these bolts out right here. Over here, and then right on the side. Try to get it out. So we're going to get these right here. We're just going to lift this up, and the frame will be able to lift up, and then we'll be able to drop the pan down. Once you got it secured up here, it's easier to get to. Everything's up. Everything's up now. And one thing I wanted to mention as well is just make sure everything's tight. Your oil dipstick, and then also just make sure everything else is good. I wanted to mention, which I'm not done putting in, there's a little 13mm right there. I'm just gonna finish sticking that in. So trying to focus on it. Yeah, there it goes, right there. Trying to put that one in, and then this one is ready for oil. And also make sure these are tight. You never know. They might have not came tight. And another thing here is don't forget where the bracket for the ABS, which goes back up here, the 5/8 bolts. With my filter already being changed, filling this up with 42 quarts, and then I'm going to let the engine run. After filling, you're going to go ahead and just clean off the dipsticks. I got it cleaned off here, and stick it in there, and then see if it's at the right level. Let it run, and then after that, it should be good. Make sure you let it run and check the oil pressure, and that's it. Go ahead and like and subscribe as well.